Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update. And we will figure out, is it bull trap, bull trend, what's going on with the stock market today. Let's do reviews for major indexes. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's move to VBull. It's kind of flat day, right? S&P flat, Nasdaq. It kind of started everything. All indexes were negative, but end of the day was kind of Dow just was a little bit positive, 0.30 positive, and the Nasdaq Nasdaq a little bit down, and S&P flat. That's kind of market reversals stage. We'll see. Let's do review. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, please go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all setups. Okay, let's start about other training setups and everything else. Let's start. Let me briefly mention about my setup right now, and this is the moving averages lines. You can get colors. I'm using moving averages. White line at SMA 200, purple line at SMA 100, blue line at SMA 50, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5. Three indicators I'm using: MACD indicator, red line signal line, the green line it's a MACD line. RSI also the same setup, red line it's a signal line and green line it's a RSI line. Also oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all. Let's start from DXY, USA dollar for daily time frame. It's a transaction. Price transaction is downtrend, right? This is the blue line downtrend, the last bar below all moving averages, and it's kind of far from 200. It's a downtrend direction. MACD is uptrend, right? RSI uptrend, also oscillator uptrend. It's a bullish divergences on all indicators, multiple bullish divergences on all indicators. If you see it here, let's see the price action downtrend one first started from here, right? From November 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiple touches. Price goes down, MACD goes up, RSI goes up, and also oscillator bullish divergences. Dollar wants to go bullish, but so far didn't change direction to bullish. So far it's still kind of negative bars, small bars, but MACD is ready to do bullish crossover. It's already did actually today bullish crossover. Yeah, we have one green small bar, bullish crossover. RSI didn't confirm bullish crossover. MA5 didn't make bullish crossover over 10. Also oscillator still green. Okay, it's a daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, similar story, right? If you see that trend line, it's a price action downtrend, MACD uptrend, RSI uptrend, also oscillator uptrend, bullish divergences on all indicators, and the price action, not price action, MACD already changed direction to bullish. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, awesome oscillator red. MA5 also bullish crossover. It's a bullish trend, right? Let's check 1 hour. 1 hours, it's a bearish, right? 1 hour, it's a bearish on MACD, bearish on RSI, and also oscillator green, bullish. Let me repeat. We like when all indicators align in the same direction. That's for us 99% direction trend, when all align in the same direction. Also, For the swing trading, we are using daily and 4 hours time frame. For intraday trading, I'm using 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. Okay, that's all. Okay, daily it's still bearish with bullish divergences. 4 hours it's kind of bullish with bullish divergences, and 1 hour it's a bullish. 1 hour it's a bearish with 1 hour it's a bearish. We'll see. We'll see. Dollar wants to change direction to bullish. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Major trend lines is a blue is a major trend line. White is a MA 200. We just ready to touch. That's what I was expected. We should touch MA 200 and do reversal. So far it's still bullish trend. On MACD, on RSI, no small letter, bullish trend. Last bar above all moving averages except 200. 200 still downtrend. It's not good. It's a bearish. The same like trend line, right? Major trend line. It's a downtrend. It did close above, like the second day in a row. It's closed above MA 200. But I'm sorry about the major trend line, but didn't close above MA 200. It's still kind of bearish. Signal is still bullish. MACD bullish. Moving average is bullish. All bullish for Qs on the daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, it's the same. MA5, yeah, the last bar still above all moving averages. We're still above MA 200. MA 20 just did bullish crossover. It's a bullish signal. Bullish signal. MACD is still bullish. RSI is still bullish. Also, Oscillator is still bullish. No even divergences. I don't see divergences. Only the volume is decreasing, right? Still bullish on 4 hours. Still bullish also for Qs. Let's check to 1 hour. 1 hour. It's changing direction. 1 hour, it's already MACD. Moving averages just did bearish crossover. MACD did bearish crossover. Also, Oscillator did bearish crossover. It is RSI also ready for bearish crossover. Also, Oscillator. Market ready to change direction to bearish. On 1 hour time frame, it's already ready for bearish direction. It has already bearish signal. Qs changing direction on 1 hour. On 4 hours, still bullish, and daily still bullish. Let's move to VXN for confirmation. Volatility index for Nasdaq. Daily still bearish signal on all indicators. It's a bullish for Qs. On 4 hours, it changed direction to bullish. On the MACD it's bullish. On our Oscillator bullish. On RSI still bearish. On MA5 still bearish. It's a mixed mode, 50-50. On 1 hour, in 1 hour it was bullish, and now it changed direction to bearish. Change direction to bearish on 1 hour, and Qs changing direction to bearish also. It's kind of disconnecting. You see this? Investors, they are not scary about the market. It's disconnected between VXN volatility index for Nasdaq and Nasdaq. Let's move to SPY. Something going on. Something going on the market. SPY. Let's do summary at the end of the review. SPY daily time frame. Let's start SPY daily time frame. This is blue line, major blue line. This was the point when it closed above MA 200, above the trend line. Now we close for 2 days in a row above the trend line. It's a bullish, but MA5 already did bearish crossover over 10. MA50, the blue line, ready for bullish crossover. It's good. It's a bullish. Still bullish signal on all indicators, right? On daily time frame. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours for SPY. It's changing. Yeah, it's still bullish. MACD bullish, RSI bullish, also they're bullish. Price action is uptrend. MACD downtrend, MACD histogram downtrend, RSI flat. Also oscillator downtrend. Bearish divergences on all indicators. All indicators bearish divergences. SPY wants to change direction to bearish on 4 hours. Still bullish signal, no changes, but has bearish divergences. 1 hour, let's check 1 hour for SPY. 1 hour for SPY, MA5 already did bearish crossover. It touched the major trend line. MACD did bearish crossover, RSI ready for it, and also still green. SPY ready for bearish trend on short time frame, only on 1 hour. On 4 hours and daily, still bullish with bearish divergences. Let's check weeks. Volatility index for SPY. Daily time frame bearish on all indicators. It's a bullish for SPY. 4 hours. 4 hours. It was mixed mode on, yeah, bearish. 4 hours it's a bearish on all indicators. It's a bullish for SPY. And 1 hour it's a bearish, it's a bullish. Yeah, 1 hour it's a bearish, it's a bullish for SPY. But on SPY 1 hour it's ready for bearish. It's disconnected also. Okay, let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones, the weakest index. For some reason, it used to be the strongest. Now it's the weakest. This is the blue line. It's a major trend line from the top of the market from 12 months ago. We're still above this major trend line. And the last bar is still above MA20. It's a MA5 did bearish crossover even over MA10, over 50, and over MA20. It's a bearish signal. On daily time frame, it's a bearish signal. Dow Jones on daily still bearish. Volume is decreasing. MACD did bearish crossover. RSI bearish. Also daily time frame bearish. MA5 bearish crossover. Daily time frame it's a bearish, right? It's a bearish trend. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours is kind of bullish, right? And MA5 did bullish crossover, green line did bullish crossover, and the last bar above all moving averages. MACD ready for bullish crossover, RSI did bearish crossover, bullish crossover, and also that green bullish. 4 hours it's a bullish. Let's check to 1 hour. 1 hour is still bullish. 1 hour is still bullish. It wants to go. Still bullish on MACD, on RSI, and also oscillator. Dow Jones is bullish. Dow Jones is bullish. Last bar close above all moving averages. Still bullish, kind of flat. On histogram it has divergences. On RSI, flat. Yeah, no real divergence. Some volume decreasing divergence on the bars. Bars uptrend, volume downtrend. It's kind of divergences, but still on 1 hour it's a bullish. On 1 hour bullish. On 4 hours wants to go bullish, and daily It's kind of bearish, but it's kind of flat trend for Dow Jones. Let's move to DXY daily volatility index for Dow Jones. It's flat on daily, kind of flat mode for on 4 hours. It's bullish, like mixed mode, 50-50. Two indicators bullish, two indicators bearish. On 4 hours, mixed mode. On 1 hour, all bearish. It's a bullish for 1 hour for Dow Jones. Let's move to IWM daily. It's above major trend line. This is the general market trend line. It's a downtrend from the top of the market. And the last bar is still above the trend line and above the all moving averages. MA5 wants to do bearish crossover over 10. Still, bullish on the MACD, still bullish on RSI. Also oscillator red. Like I said, MA20 ready to do bullish crossover over 200. It's a bullish trend with signal to change direction. It's still bullish. 4 hours on daily, still bullish on 4 hours. On 4 hours, it's bullish on the moving averages. MACD flat, RSI flat, also oscillator, kind of bullish trend. Bullish trend with bearish divergences. On 4 hours, bearish divergences, right? And let's check 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour it's ready to change direction to bearish. MA5 did already bearish crossover. MACD bearish crossover. Awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator still green. RSI bearish crossover. It's changing direction to bearish on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour change direction to bearish. 4 hours still bullish, right? And daily still bullish. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily green bar 4 days in a row. Actually, it's a bullish trend since January 9. Since the January 9 bullish trend. Bullish trend on all indicators. On daily time frame, let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend on all indicators. It touched the MA200, and the MA200 is a strong resistance. Still bullish signal on all indicators. On RSI it's overbought. It can change direction and can be rejected, can get rejection from MA200 from white line. Bullish trend on 4 hours also. 1 hour, it's changing direction to bearish, right? MACD already ready for bearish crossover. RSI, it's overbought state, and it has bearish divergences. Actually, it's kind of flat. On price action is flat. On the volume, it's a downtrend. On the MACD histogram, downtrend. On RSI, downtrend. And also oscillator, downtrend. Apple wants to go bearish on 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily bullish. Let's check daily Tesla. Tesla daily bullish trend on MACD, on RSI, and awesome oscillator. And last bar above MA5, 10, and 20. Bullish trend for Tesla. A lot of gaps. It left a lot of gaps below. Daily time frame still bullish. 4 hours time frame for Tesla is bullish also on all indicators. And 1 hour for Tesla, it's already bearish, right? MA5 did bearish crossover. MACD did bearish crossover. RSI was overbought and changed direction to bearish, and also months later bearish. Okay, 1 hour bearish. Let's move to, and volume also decreasing. Look at it from this point, right? Volume is downtrend, bearish divergence. It's kind of, yeah, the same like Apple, right? The price action is kind of flat, but MACD downtrend, histogram, RSI downtrend, also oscillator downtrend, bearish divergences on 1 hour. BABA, Alibaba Group, BABA Daily. Let's check price action uptrend. Price action uptrend, right? It's the last bar above all moving averages. Yeah, it left a lot of gaps also below the current state. Still bullish with bearish divergences on histogram, MACD histogram on RSI. RSI still in overbought territory. Awesome oscillator has bearish divergences and red color. Still bullish on daily with bearish divergences on all indicators. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours bullish price action. MACD already has bearish divergences. Trend direction to change direction to bearish. Let me change it like this one. Multiple bearish divergences on MACD, histogram and MACD lines. RSI overbought, in the overbought territory, changed also bearish divergences, and awesome oscillator has bearish divergences. Bearish signal and bearish divergences on 4 hours for BABA. BABA wants to go bearish. 1 hour. 1 hour. Let me minimize it. The price action for 1 hour is bullish, right? The price action is uptrend. Sorry, minus. It's kind of changing direction, right? Uptrend price action on the MACD, it's a downtrend, bearish divergences on RSI, bearish divergences, and on awesome oscillator, same story, bearish divergences. Bearish trend and bearish divergences. BABA on 1 hour, 4 hours, bearish trend and bearish divergences. Bearish signal and bearish divergences. On daily, it's still bullish. BABA wants to have correction. And let's do summary. Like for Apple, Tesla, and BABA, they all are bullish on daily time frame and changing direction. They have bearish divergences on daily and 4 hours and 1 hour. They change in direction on a short time frame from bullish to bearish. They all want to have some correction. And after hours, it's earnings season. And remember, earnings season, stock markets, it has very huge volatility. It can easily move up or down. Like today, after the market close, we had some earnings and it changed already. Yeah, it's kind of negative, right? After hours, it's negative. Like Tesla minus 2%, BABA minus 0.5%, Apple minus 0.5%. Okay, let's move to indexes. Indexes, I'm sorry, indexes already on daily time frame still bullish, on 4 hours still kind of bullish, and on 1 hour they want to have direction. On 1 hour, all indexes ready for bearish correction. All indexes ready for bearish correction. Like look at it. Q's the strongest index. On 1 hour, it's already for bearish direction, for bearish correction. On daily and 4 hours, still bullish. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes. Please read it. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I really appreciate all your time and effort. I do publish daily update, weekly and monthly for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.